Hello guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube Premium Music. If it's not already on your device, YouTube Music is pre-installed on most Android devices, but it can be also downloaded on iOS or accessed via the web. Just open the app and log in using your Google account. The home screen displays new releases, recommended playlists, and trending songs. You can find also the Explore tab to find new releases, also trending songs, popular artists, and top genres. You can browse through moods and genres to discover music that suits your taste. And library shows your saved music, including liked songs, playlists, albums, and artists. You can use the search bar to search for a song or an artist. You can also play and control music, and you can release or use related songs and play cues while listening to music. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.